So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Intel Corporation put options in Canada, ticker symbol INTC here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go into your account. So for me, it's going to be my non-registered account. Now, if you go to the bottom option right here, there's 4 different options. We're right now on the home screen. If you go ahead right beside it and press on the magnifying glass, you're now going to be on the Discover screen. And once you're on the Discover screen, what you can either do is go to the Options tab and press on More, and then just slide down all the way until you come across Intel Corporation, so ticker symbol INTC, which is right here. You can press on that and you can be on this screen right here, but also probably an easier way to find Intel Corporation is to exit out of this. Go to the search bar at the top and then just type in ticker symbol INTC for the Intel Corporation. Press on this first option right here, press on buy, and then press on options. Now to buy Intel Corporation put options here in Canada, what you have to do is at the top where it says I believe that INTC will rise by, press on where it says rise and make sure that put option is checked. By doing this, it's going to be saying INTC will fall by, and that is what you mean when you're going to be buying a put option. So INTC will fall by September 29th. So if you want to go ahead and change the expiry date, press on the date right here and select whatever expiry date you wish to purchase these options for. Now, once that is done, what you can either do is go in the money or out of the money. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go out of the money here for $34 USD. So we're going to go ahead and press on that. And to finalize this purchase, go to the bottom and press on buy. And there you go. That is how you guys can buy Intel Corporation put options in Canada, ticker symbol INTC here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.